What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless and stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Okay, so today it is day 4 of our daily vlogs. We're here at Wellness Center yet again, opening up here. Later I will be dropping by Uncle Lookie's house, which is his birthday. Happy birthday, Uncle. We love you so much. And yeah, we're gonna get into this vlog. We gotta quickly stretch because we're late. And yeah, I need to get my stretch in, like literally need to get my stretch in. So yeah, let's go. Okay fam, so I'm gonna hit my pre-workout. Shout out to Renee and Kobe, the green. We have the orange. I swear I'm always drinking their pre-workout, lol. I only take, well, I got a little bit of that in my mouth. I only take like half a scoop because I can't sleep at night if I drink a whole scoop, or I like shake, legit. I'm really bad with these stuff, but yeah. That was good. That was smooth. It went down good. It went down good, fam. Are you ready?
We're leaving when it's over, mate. So, are you ready, guys? So we're just quickly going to do a core. We're just going to do 3 rounds, 30-second polos, 30 toe touches. Do you want to show them? Yeah, 30 of those. Okay. So a lot of core work. And then 30 seconds of Superman. Can we just quickly do a Superman? And then 10 push colors. Show them what push colors is. Remember that? Yeah. Don't go down. Yeah. So we're going to do 30 seconds, 30 toe touches, 30 seconds Superman, 10 push colors, 3 rounds, 12-minute E1. Alright?
Okay, fam. Hitting a double sesh today. Sis, are you joining?
No, I'm doing my program.
Oh, you're doing your program. The what? Okay. Okay fam, so we're just on youth right now, and Willie is sharing today, but we were in between our workouts, so yeah fam. So yeah fam, we're just here at the shops in Canley because it's my uncle's birthday, like I said in the beginning. We're just gonna get him some money, and then we're gonna give it to him as our present. But yeah, youth has just finished. Our mic isn't working, so we can only wave. Okay fam, so my husband went all the way back home just to get the camera. I mean, just to get the other battery. But we got Teddy Bear over here. Shout out to him. Follow him. He's single. We've got mum, dad eating, auntie. Happy birthday, uncle. Let me go, uncle. My other uncle's outside. Look at him. He's hard out eating. Uncle. Where le maonga?
And it goes a little something like.
Again, we eating bad again. Okay fam, we're gonna sign off over here. We hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. A massive happy birthday to my Uncle Luki. Please go down below and comment happy birthday Uncle Luki. We love you so much, TNS family. Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Jane, come on, man.